Hi, thank you for looking at my listing on eBay. This is the machine that I'm actually selling, the Karcher HD 1050DE. If you'd just like to come and have a look at it a second. As you can see, it's got chemical application, which I'll demonstrate to you in just a second. It's in excellent condition, absolutely fantastic. It comes complete with hose, all original, 15-metre hose, 250 bar pressure. Now I'm going to show you quickly how to connect it all up. Water's already running. It comes complete with the hose lock BSP tap fitting. Click it straight on. The water is now connected, and it's a keyless start. You just turn the key, it starts. That's the constant running. It's got a pressure servo. Now I'm going to show you how to apply the chemicals. Put the chemical there, turn the chemical on, you turn your nozzle to chemical. There'll be a small chemical symbol on there. Turn the pressure on maximum. Finish using the chemicals, turn the nozzle back onto pressure, turn it down or it might knock you over, and then go away with the water. Very straightforward to switch off. Pull the lever there, pull it up to stop, and then this machine is also pull start as well. Now to pull start the machine, you can pull the machine until compression is reached. Let go. Switch over to release the compression. Starts perfectly with pull start. Thank you very much for looking at my eBay listing. And once again, it's key start. Turn the key, start. Thank you very much.